Okay, this is our first video using ModelSmart. We're going to learn just how to make a wall right now. So first thing we're going to do is click up on this blue dot, and we're just going to place a dot arbitrarily anywhere on the screen. We're going to go to joints, and we're going to click on properties. I'm going to click on that joint that we just put down, and it's going to show us where that joint is. Now, I've already mapped out these points where I want them to be for my bridge, and I suggest you do the same thing in your engineering notebook. So I'm going to change these points to, let's point to 10, 6, 4. So this is 10 on the X. If you click on tab, you go to the next box, 6, tab, and I'm going to click on 4. And when I click apply, it's going to move that point. Since I know I want my bridge to be 16 inches long, I've already placed them out, so my last point over here is going to be at 26, 6, 4. So now I'm going to add several more points. I'm going to click on Add Joint, and we're going to put in 14, 6, 4, 14, tab, 6, 4, apply, Add Joint, click another one, and we're going to do 18, 6, 4, apply, another one. Okay, 22, 6, 4. Apply. And 26, 6, 4. Now we know this is 16 inches long because this one started at X equals 10 and this one ended at X equals 26, which gives us a 16-inch long bridge. All right, so now we want to give it some height. I'm going to make my bridge 4 inches high. So I'm going to go about halfway between these 2 points and then go up 4 units. So that would change the Y to 10. So I'm going to add the first one. Again, if you put these in your notebook and draw them out first, it's a little much easier. 12, 10, 4. Now the 4 is how far is going forward and back toward me and you, or toward screen, toward you, and away from you. Hit apply. Add another joint. Next one's going to be 16, 10, 4. And each time you just hit apply and add joint, do it again. And 20, 10, 4. And one more. And 20, 10, 4. 24, 10, 4. Okay. Once you've done that, you select OK. Now we need to connect the dots, so to speak. So we go to this with the 2 blue dots with this bar here. That's a member. And all we're going to do, you can't just click and click. You've got to click and hold the mouse button down and drag it to the next point. So wherever you want to apply your wood, just click and drag to the next piece. How you want your wall to look. And I'm going to I didn't quite get that one. Okay, I've got my wall like I want it, but if you hit the right arrows, it'll spin it around. You can see it. You see how, see it better there. The plane's not lined up where I wanted it. But we've only got one wall. I'm fixing to show you in the next video how to copy that wall. Copy most of the points. So you won't have to sit there and put all those points in again when we just want to shift it over. Okay, see you next video.